Is your accounting software holding you back? Digital disruption in the manufacturing, distribution, and services industries calls for a business management solution that can help you manage more than just financials. Like many businesses, you're probably looking for ways to reduce your reliance on error-prone spreadsheets to run your business. More broadly, you need better systems to help you grow revenues and reduce costs so you can increase profitability. You need a solution that unites your entire business so you can work more collaboratively and meet customer expectations. You need flexible deployment options and add-on solutions to meet your unique business needs. While you're at it, how about the ability to customize your reports with advanced business intelligence tools that connect data across your entire supply chain? Sage 100 Cloud has what your business needs to operate more efficiently, increase inventory accuracy, complete and ship orders on time, decrease time to decision-making, add more customers, and grow margins. Feature-rich, easily customizable, and cloud-connected, Sage 100 Cloud is trusted by thousands of growing businesses just like yours. Perform at your best. Find out what Sage 100 Cloud will do for you.